Every spam call your team picks up is a real customer waiting on hold. Unwanted calls silently drain your support team's capacity every single day. This is your complete guide to blocking numbers and filtering calls in Zendesk Talk. Zendesk Talk has 4 built-in tools for managing unwanted callers. You can block specific numbers, set pattern rules using starts with or ends with conditions, manage everything from admin center, and even protect your agents with outbound warnings. 4 solid capabilities, and 1 major gap we'll cover shortly. Before you configure anything, check your plan. Call blocking is only available on Talk Professional or Enterprise. It's completely absent from Talk Team. If you're on Team, you'll need to upgrade before any of this applies to you. Start in your Zendesk Admin Center. Navigate to Channels, then Talk, and select Block Numbers from the menu. This section only appears if your current plan supports call blocking. Click Add Number and enter the phone number you want to block. You must use E164 International format. That's a +sign, your country code, then the number with no spaces or dashes. A US number would look like +1, then the 10-digit number. Choose your blocking condition based on what you're stopping. Equal to blocks 1 exact number. Starts with is the most powerful option. Use it to block an entire area code or country prefix with a single rule, not just one caller. Click Save, and the block is live immediately. Blocked callers hear a message saying the number is not in service. No ticket is created, and no agent time is wasted. If an agent tries to call a blocked number outbound, they'll see a warning before the call goes through. Here's the wall every Zendesk Talk user hits eventually. The system cannot block calls from hidden or anonymous numbers, because there's no caller ID to check against your block list. If someone harasses your team from a private number, the block list simply doesn't apply. You have 3 practical options for anonymous callers. Use omni-channel routing triggers to automatically send them to voicemail. Try blocking common carrier prefixes for anonymous calls with the starts with condition, or set up an IVR menu. Automated spam callers typically hang up the moment they have to press a button. Not every unwanted call needs a permanent block. One-time wrong numbers just need to be ended, no action required. But persistent spam or harassment should go straight to your block list. Review that list quarterly so it stays accurate and doesn't block legitimate callers by accident. If you need filtering that goes beyond phone numbers, eesel AI takes a completely different approach. Instead of a static block list, eesel AI reads conversation context and caller history to make intelligent routing decisions in real time. It learns from your team's interaction, getting smarter at filtering low-value calls the longer you use it. You now have everything you need to manage unwanted calls in Zendesk Talk. And when blocking alone isn't enough, eesel AI's context-aware filtering has you covered. Start your free trial today at eesel.ai. No credit card required.